Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the tutorial video to show you how I make this Shabby Chic flower. Okay, so this is this. Okay, let me to show you to make the small one first. Okay, and yeah, I cut out from this flower, these roses. So yeah, for this small one I just used two two set of this. I use this color, this, and yeah, this depends on you, see which color you prefer. So yeah, this is this color. So let me to show you, it's very simple and easy to make. Okay, and you can use 3 petals if you want. So yeah, it's so shabby chic and pretty. So yeah, you cut out first. You cut out the flower. Doesn't matter. Yeah, you cut the shape not nice, because what I will do is I just squeeze, and maybe I use this too. Yeah, you have to wrinkles. Yeah, squeeze, make wrinkles your fabric. So yeah, this is the muslin fabric, see? So, and the other one also the same. Yeah, this one I just use, yeah, I can use 3 either you want smaller you can use 2, but yeah, I already cut, so yeah, we use 3 of these. So yes, go, it's very easy. I will use the hot glue. Yeah, just put it little in the center, and this one you squish, you just make it like so and put in the middle and squish them together, so you get this like so. Okay, and the center one is the rosebud. Rosebud is, yeah, so that's so, and you just make a rosebud. Just what I did is just I just, yeah, simply like so, just glue them together, make the triangle together. So you get this in the middle, you open it up. Yeah, I have to put more glue. So yes, so you got this one here. Okay, so yeah, what you need to do is just find the center and put a little glue and put this in the center and squeeze them together. Okay, so when you open, you will get this tattered shabby chic flower. With this glue together, you can open it up because they stick together like so. Okay, it's pretty, it's very simple. And the leaf, you just simply, you can see, just attach them together just a little bit. Yeah, don't put too much glue. So yeah, just put the leaves. So this one and another leaf here. Okay, it's very pretty. Yeah, this one, yeah, show you. Put on the cake box. Okay, it's very pretty. And yeah, this also the same. This is just 2 petals. Yeah, this one the color put middle, this one put also the same. Just very simple. Yeah, I will just make it, yeah, wrinkles like so. Okay, yeah, the bright color one put in the center. Normally is the rosebud, you just half and make it, see the rosebud, even the big rosebud or the small, like so. You make a triangle. Okay, so just open up. Yeah, this, if you don't want to make it dimension, yeah, you just cut it and make the flat flower. It just depends what you like. Okay, put in the center and squish it together. Okay, when you open, also, yeah, I just like the tattered, like wrinkles and the edges also. Yeah, I love like so. Yeah, just like this. Yeah, I know so many gorgeous lady. Yeah, you know, to make your beautiful handmade flowers. Yeah, just depends what kind of flower you like. So you like the flat one, you just make it like a flat. You want a triangle? Oh no, triangle, dimension. Not that, not triangle, it's dimension. So not enough glue, I have to put a little bit glue. Okay, so very pretty and simple, that is shabby chic flower. So yeah, and the glue. Now yeah, just this one. Yeah, if you open, yeah, you can just glue it together. Okay, you get this one. This one is, I use this paddle. Yeah, you first cut out all the size and just layer. This is the first layer and the second layer, this one, and this is the third, and this one, use this to make a rose. But if you don't like the dimension, yeah, you can just make a flat flower. Okay, yeah, if you make the flat flower, you get so many. This one you can use it as a applique. Okay, so yeah, I think yeah, the same. And now I should just show you make this one. Okay, so the same, you just make it squeeze and make it, yeah, like so. And these big pieces also, you squish it and glue these pieces. Yeah, what you do is just make like so. Okay, and put glue in the middle and put this and wrap them together, so you will get this like so. Okay, so if you use the needle to stitch, and I'm not sure, yeah, you can try. See, I didn't use the needle because I prefer to use the glue because I want to get the result. If you use a needle to stitch, yeah, hand stitch, yeah, maybe you also can come up like this result also. Okay, and put the glue in the center, and this put here, and wrap them together and just squish it. and you open, got this like so, and this I will use this to make a rosebud. So yeah, got this one. Just okay, put the glue here. If you don't want to make the rosebud, you can use the pearl or whatever to make your flower center. So this is the rosebud. Okay, so you got this one like so. Yeah, very simple and tattered and shabby chic flower dimension. It's very pretty, and this one the technique also the same. Okay, so yeah, this is what I so you try it on. So that I didn't make for you because yeah, you have to try to make it by your own, so you fun. And yeah, this one is for this flower, it's like an apricot, so you cut this piece. I didn't cut the leaf out. And also you can make this kind of flower, you just cut the leaf, so yeah, you can attach the leaf at the bottom like so. So you make this single, not like a apricot. Okay, yeah, you have different style to make your flower. So yeah, okay, and hope you like this and try it out. So yeah, for the kit you will receive all these kind of flowers here, so you can make some this type of flower, or you make the flat one. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by and watch the video, and yeah, thanks again.